I'm Heather Henry. I work in health and wellness. I'm not sure how I ended up with the Beach Boss influencers, but something in my inner soul must have just vibrated similarly with what they were doing, because I don't normally give out my email address, and I gave them my email address and heard from them over the course of years before it got through to me that this was the community that I needed to be in order to succeed. Finances were by far the biggest struggle to deal with in making the decision to come here. It's hard to decide to invest in yourself, and sometimes you just have to decide that you're worth it. I think my biggest takeaway is that I am worth it, and it is possible, and that more things are possible than I ever realized, and that I can make it happen because I have a plan to make it happen. More than anything, it is the amazingly supportive community that I met here this weekend, as well as experience every week on coaching calls and anytime I reach out to any of the beach bosses or my coach. If you are serious about your network marketing business or a social influence related business, then yes, this is the place to be. This is where you are going to experience an amazing amount of support and assistance and belief in yourself that you don't yet have, provided by others that do believe in you.